Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only macaroni egg salad recipe you'll ever need. First, let's get our macaroni ready. Cook 1 cup of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. This also helps prevent sticking. Make sure it's completely cooled before moving on to the next step. Next up, the eggs. For the best texture, boil 6 large eggs for exactly 10 minutes. As soon as they're done, plunge them into an ice bath. This stops the cooking and makes them much easier to peel. Once cooled, gently peel the eggs and chop them into a coarse, bite-sized consistency. We want a good mix of egg white and yolk in every bite. Now for the creamy, flavorful dressing that brings it all together. In a large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion for a little crunch and zing. Finally, add your cooled macaroni and chopped eggs, then gently fold everything until it's perfectly combined. To finish, season your macaroni egg salad with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste and adjust if needed. You might want a pinch more of something. For the best flavor, cover and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Also, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Serve cold and enjoy this delicious, classic dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.